Hello students, good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you will be fine, right? So students, today we will start the chapter number 6 and the chapter number 6 name is Expert Detectives. Okay. So this is a story all about detectives. Okay. So in this story two persons they have, right? Maya and Nishad. Both are like in detectives. Okay, so both of them were doing work as an detective about mysterious men. Okay, mysterious men means Mr. Nath. Mysterious Mr. Nath. So in this story today we are going to start the explanation and the summary of this lesson. Okay, so in this story Nishad, a boy of 7, it means that 7 means because his name means the seventh note of on the musical scale, and his 10-year-old sister Maya. So both are two persons, Maya and Nishad. Okay, so and then Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath. Then one day the children's marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room and Nishad gets a chance to see him. Is he a crook on the run? Why is his face badly scared? Why has he no friends? So both of them wants to know that answers of these questions. Nishad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite. The chapter is Expert Detectives. So students, you will read more than 2 times. Okay, so we are going to start the summary. This is a story. Nishad and his 10 years old sister Maya has always been inquisitive about their neighbor. Neighbor, what was the name? Mr. Nath. One day their marbles went inside his house and Nishad got a chance to catch a glimpse of Mr. Nath. To Nishad, he appeared to be a crook running away from the cops. He had a bad scar on his face and didn't have any friends. But Mr. Nath is a patient to their mother, right? Who is a doctor by profession. Their mother has told them that he is a polite man. Nishad is also called 7 because his name means that seventh note on the musical scale, right? So the two children were busy discussing about their mysterious neighbor. They argued about his financial wealth, how he manages his food and so on, that's etc. Nishad thinks that he is poor and doesn't have much money, while Maya believes that he has got a lot of money and has kept it hidden somewhere in his room. Then it was Mr. Nath's scar that bothered the children. They thought that he might have got during a shootout with the police. Right? On their mother's birthday, Nishad went along her to the clinic and he happened to see Mr. Nath there. He was worried seeing Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance. The evening, Nishad went to his place and gave a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath. Nishad befriended Ramesh, the boy who used to bring food for Mr. Nath and from a nearby restaurant. Okay. So Ramesh informed his that Mr. Nath had 2 meals a day and tea in morning and evening also. So his meal was the same every day and always used to pay in cash and tips as well as. He brings 2 lunches in Sunday and it is the same visitor. He find there the visitor was a tall, stout and spectacled man who wear spectacles and who talks a lot while Mr. Nath is quiet person. Okay, the children were thrilled and they were discussing the possibilities of Mr. Nath being a crook. So Maya, she was a sister. She was a sister of Nishad. Look at this picture. Okay. So Maya, their school opened after the summer holidays the next day, but they could not attend it because of heavy rains. Nishad was busy reading his comics when Maya informed what she had done. She had made a note of everything they knew about Mr. Nath, calling them facts and gave a number to each one of them. Nishad disagreed. Nishad interrupted. And Nishad disagreed with Maya for calling Mr. Nath a criminal. Okay, and he said that she was a stupid. Okay, so he felt bad for him for having no friends. While Maya thought that the visitor who comes to his place on Sunday may be his partner, who knows all his secret and maybe the loot well, right? Loot means loot part. Both the children had an argument and Nishad was upset with Maya for calling Mr. Nath a crook. Okay, so Nishad was interested only in finding out why Mr. Nath was so thin and loner and why he lived alone. Okay, so and then he wanted to be his friends and Maya's theories didn't have any impact on Seven. So this is a story all about two persons who wants to collect the informations about Mr. Nath. Okay, but Nishad didn't feel very happy, didn't feel satisfied with his sister Maya. Okay, so this is a story all about what? Expert detectives. Who are the experts? Nishad and Maya. Okay, so I hope you are clear to you and thank you and have a nice day, students.